Welcome back to Phoenix English classes. Today we are going to continue with the same topic that we had taken in the last video, article writing format. Then there was the discussion on marking a scheme, and we discussed about the points to be remembered, how to write a good article, what will be the word limit, everything we have discussed in the previous video. Those who have not watched it, first watch that video, then start this video so that you may perfectly understand what an article writing is. So without much ado, let's start a specimen writing of article, and we will start with an article that is to be written by an intermediate student, student of class 12th for the school magazine. So let's consider the question first, because the first requirement for an article writing is to read the instruction carefully, is to listen to or to watch the video or audio input carefully, so that you may understand what is required there in the article. So let's start with it. This is the criteria, and that you are Shobhit or Suman. Shobhit or Suman. This is your identity. You cannot afford to write your own name, as we have discussed in the previous video. If the name is given in the input, either it is written or visual or audio input, you cannot afford to write your name. You are Shobhit or Suman. Write an article for your school magazine on following topic in about 150 to 200 words. The criteria has been defined. You have to write a magazine for you have to write an article for school magazine, and the topic will be you have recently spent a week in Cochin, that is in Kerala. Describe your experience there in the lap of nature. The subject is very clear here. You have recently spent a week in Cochin, that is in Kerala. Sometimes it is written as Kerala, but don't read it as Kerala, it is Keral. Even though you write A after L, you have to speak like Keral. It may be Kerala for the English people or for the people who do not know about India. We know it is Kerala. Describe your experience there in the lap of nature. So you have to describe the things. It means this article is descriptive, not argumentative or analytic. This is descriptive. So we have to give the description about a week's stay in Cochin, that is in Kerala, in lap of nature. We find there is a very clear information about the topic. What you are going to write as the title of the article is your experience in lap of nature. So you can write this as the title for your article. Let's start. If you have read this question, this written input properly, and if you read it twice or thrice, you need not look at it time and again. I think you would have remembered what you are going to write. अभी तक आपको याद हो गया होगा अच्छे से कि हमें क्या लिखना है. Let me describe it once more. The description is very simple. You are Shobhit or Suman, and you have to write an article for your school magazine describing about your experience there in Cochin, that is in Kerala, and you have spent there a week recently. So this is very clear. Now we are going to start with the introduction without putting the heading introduction. First thing is title. A week's stay. In the lap of nature. Lap of nature. We have taken the title from the written input that was in the question itself. See, another important part about writing a title is that it is always written in title case. First letter is always capital. Then each word will start with a capital letter. The only exceptions are the preposition, article and conjunction. But because there is no conjunction, we are leaving it, but you have to remember it is called the title case writing. Whenever you write the heading or title for anything, for any subject, for any kind of composition, you will use this method. The title is always written in, the heading is always written in title case. What is the meaning of title case? It is very simple. All the words will start with a capital letter. As you write your name, you always write your name in the same manner. You write every word with a capital letter. Starting will be with a capital letter. हर एक शब्द एक कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होगा. सिर्फ 3 एक्सेप्शन है यहाँ पे. अगर कोई प्रीपोजिशन आए, यदि कोई आर्टिकल आ जाए ए एंड दी, और तीसरी चीज़ कंजक्शन. कंजक्शन यहाँ पे आया नहीं, बाकी दोनों आ गए हैं, तो आप आराम से इसको देख सकते हैं. वी हैव 3 वर्ड्स इन, द और ऑफ. ये एक्सेप्शंस है, इसीलिए हमने इसको कैपिटलाइज नहीं किया. यू कैन अंडरलाइन दिस टाइटल. आप इसको अंडरलाइन कर सकते हैं विद अ कॉन्ट्रास्ट पेन और विद द सेम पेन. यू कैन डबल स्ट्राइक इट ऑल्सो. दिस विल बी हाईलाइटेड. देन द सेकेंड आइटम इज बाय लाइन. तो यू मे राइट बाय शोभित और Suman, if you would have remembered what was written there in the input. Shobhit, and you are of class 12th, you can write class 12th, you can also write your section. We are following the proper format. First the title, then the byline. In byline you require to write only your name. If you are the student of that school, you can mention your class and section also. And after that we will start with the introduction. So let's start with the introduction on a week's stay in lap of nature. Let's start. Living in the lap of nature, lap of nature is a bliss. Living in the lap of nature is a bliss. We are starting like this. It is not necessary that you should start always like this. This is not a model line. This is only an example. You can start with certain other sentences. The treasures of nature are never empty. Recently I got a chance to visit Cochin in Kerala. This information was also given in the input. So what we have to do is to verify the fact that we are taking the things from the input. There I stayed in a village for a week. It was the village of the native Charians. Being there, I experienced the world is too much with us. With us. In other words, I was in the Wordsworthian world. So this is all about our introduction. What I introduced here is a very simple thing. What I experienced there, I am giving an introduction of that. But the creative thing that is added here, you can always do this. The world is too much with us is a sonnet written by William Wordsworth. And William Wordsworth is called the greatest priest of nature in English poetry. So if you are living in the lap of nature, you are living in the world that is always a part of Wordsworthian world. You can introduce like this. This is striking, not for the readers, not for the simple readers, but also for the learned ones for examiner, it will certainly going to strike them. Now we will start the development of thought. We will start with the description of the scenery. The second paragraph, in Kerala, I witnessed the most beautiful and fascinating rural India. Coconuts and canals. Dominate the scenery. Dominate the scenery all around. We have started with a certain point of description. That was the chief motto behind writing such an article. It is descriptive. We started with the description in the content area. It will have only 2 or 3 paragraphs. We are taking only 3 paragraphs so that we should not exceed the word limit, that is 200. We will try to stick to the lower limit, that is 150. Canals dominate the scenery all around. Kerala is the greenest of Indian states. See, only writing these 3 sentences: in Kerala, I witnessed the most beautiful and fascinating rural India. Then coconuts and canals dominate the scenery all around. Then Kerala is the greenest of Indian state. It gives the description of what I have witnessed, and the first paragraph in content I think is completed, and we can start with the second paragraph. The second paragraph, in the second paragraph, our description should change a bit. The most fascinating part of Kerala is its backwaters. I was a guest at my friend Ramesh Cherian's house. The Cherians own a village as large as 50 acres. They are very good fisherman. I don't have any space remaining here. You can pause the video and start writing. Once you have finished with it, then you can start with the top line. Once again, I am going to continue with it for your convenience. I am erasing only the half part of it, that is introduction. So we are going to continue on it. If you cannot write at the time you are watching the video, you don't have to worry about it. It is also written in the description. You can write it from there. So I was writing, they are very good fishermen. The Cherians are very good fishermen. Rowing in a houseboat. In the backwaters. Gives you a feeling of being in Venice. This second paragraph of the content is continue, and it is also written almost in the same kind of size, in the same number of words, almost the same number of words which was in the first paragraph. It will give you a balanced writing, and after that we are going to conclude the whole thought. Otherwise, now if we are going to extend the description, this is going to transcend the limit of 200 words. Surely you should have that point in mind because it is controlled composition. ये एक नियंत्रित कंपोजिशन है, इसलिए हमेशा आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि हम डेवलपमेंट ऑफ थॉट करें, फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन दें, लेकिन हम दिए गए शब्दों की सीमा को यानी वर्ड लिमिट को न भूलें. तो अब हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं कंक्लूजन पार्ट के साथ. आई थिंक यू वुड हैव रिटन दिस पार्ट ऑल्सो. आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज इट नाउ. I think it is too noisy, but you can bear that. We are going to start now the last part, that will be the fourth paragraph of this article, and that will be the first paragraph, first and only paragraph that will be written in conclusion without the heading conclusion. Let's start. Rustling of palm leaves and twittering of birds, and twittering of birds refresh your mood and mind. It was a week stay there in Kerala, but it gave me the memories for whole life. All the scenes are preserved and always living as if I were always there. This was a marvelous experience and will remain indelible in my mind. This is all about your conclusion. In conclusion, we have written rustling of the palm leaves and twittering of birds refresh your mood and mind. It was a week stay there. It was a week stay there in Kerala, but it gave me the memories for the whole life. All the scenes are preserved and always living as if I were always there. I was always there, the part of it. This was a marvelous experience and will remain indelible in my mind. This is the whole experience which is written here as an article. I hope you can write it, you can understand it. Even then, if you find any problem, you may ask the questions in the comment box, and don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, share with others also, and keep subscribing. Be a part of Phoenix English classes. Goodbye.